Let's say you're profiting like 500k a month. There's something wrong.
Kailangan natin sabihin kung dahil. Para pag nasa ibang bansa rin. Kaso ang problema pag nasa travel ka. Kailangan dumaan kasi kailangan nakatuto ka talaga.
Nakatuto ka. Ako naman, ang mindset ko. Ako yung tipo ng tao naman na gusto ko tututok ako. Tsaka, kunyari for example, yung level of ability ko to convert ng benta. Kunyari yung ano yan, nabenta 500,000, di ba, in one customer naman. Hindi ko in-expect sa kanila that they can do the same. Kasi pag in-expect mo na yung tao mo can do your job, mali na yun po. Alam mo bakit? Kasi you're not earning as much as you earn. You're a business owner eh. It's only natural that you put this much effort because this is how much your take is. Diba? If you want them to make an effort like you, na hindi sila natutulog, nag-iisip sila ng idea, na ganito, ganyan na, inuuna yung trabaho, dapat ganun din yung ina-earn nila. Diba? But because they're not, they're earning a fraction, then dapat as an owner din, kung ano man yung effort ng tao mo, dapat times 10 sa'yo. Kasi yun yung, ikaw yung ano eh, ikaw yung owner eh. So this is how much you're getting and this is how much they're getting. So dapat, yung fraction mo rin sa utak mo yung skill mo rin na, okay, ito yung pinapasweldo ko sa tao ko, then that just means as an owner, this is how much I'm getting. Dapat ganito yung effort ko. Kung multiply mo, ilan yung nakukuha mo, multiply mo yung pinapasweldo ko sa kanila. Parang may currency din, hindi lang yung pera, yung profit, but may currency yung effort, di ba? Pag in-scale mo yung effort mo, tado na talaga, mapapando yung business mo. Kasi kung ganun yung mindset mo, tayo nagpapasweldo ako ng ganito, pero mas masipag pa to sa akin. So doon pa lang, bagsak na yung ano mo, yung business mo, bo. Kasi kunyari, papasweldo ako 50k, papasweldo ako 25k. Pero ikaw, ang ina-earn mo sa business mo, kasi you're an owner, business owner, nakita mo na, let's say you're profiting like 500k a month. There's something wrong. Kunyari, everyday siya nandito, ikaw, as an owner, 3 times a week ka lang pupunta.
Mas nag-effort siya.
Oo, nung nag-effort siya, ibig sabihin nun, bo, may mali sa'yo. Diba? And you're expecting na your business will be successful. Pero you're paying someone to do a work that's more than the work you're doing as an owner, but you're getting more. And you're expecting that person to put more effort. Parang madidisappoint ka kasi, dapat ginawa na ng tao ko, dapat ganito, ganyan. Kasi kung ako yung ginawa ko na. Eh po, dahil expectations mo sa kanya, ganun, pero yung bayad mo, ganun. Oo, diba? Dapat sa'yo yung expectation mo yung sarili. Ikaw yung sasalo. If ganun yung mindset mo, hindi man magawa ng tao mo, gagawin mo kasi sa mindset mo, empleyado rin ako eh. Business ko to, empleyado rin ako, I'm a resource and this is how much I'm getting, then dapat, the business is getting this much from me. So dapat pag in-scale mo yun, doon mo babago yung business ko. Tayo na.